Are we rolling, love?
Yes.
This is Sushi Chef Pitboss. This is our first attempt at what, love?
Making a tuna sushi roll.
Yep. And I was told not to smash, but be cat-like. But this is take number 2 because I said a word Karen said I couldn't say. So we all love cats, right?
Yes.
Yes, we do. All right. But this is it. This is just going to be straight up. I need a little bit more rice. This is just going to be straight up our crabs to go sushi grade tuna, right?
Yep.
All right. Good?
Yes. Are you flipping it?
No, we're rolling.
Okay, but are you having the rice on the outside or the
Nope, rice
inside?
is on the inside on this. All rice on the inside tonight.
Okay.
All rice on the inside.
Okay.
All rice on the inside.
So crabs to go.
Look at
Sushi grade tuna.
that. Look at that.
You didn't put it in the middle,
All right, love.
right?
Yeah, well, you know what? If you want to be a sushi chef, jump on in here.
That's why I'm videographing.
Does that look okay?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Let me just take and kind of... We don't have our bamboo.
No. Walmart or Food Line did not have a bamboo mat for us to roll. But we're going to learn.
We are. Wet my fingers and go.
Maybe it needed more rice.
Nope, it doesn't.
Okay. Seems like a lot of seaweed.
No, love, stop. Now you're making me angry.
It's gonna, it'll taste good regardless.
Yep. If I only had my damn bamboo mat.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, but I can't make it my square because I don't have my
Doesn't
mat.
need to be square.
It does need to be square.
Well, Amazon will be delivering that on Tuesday.
Oh, look forward to it. You know that.
It looks beautiful.
It is beautiful. Thank you. See, if I had my little mat, I could clean the ends up. All right, so that's one.
All right, number 1. Oh, we need our white plate.
Yep. I probably should cut that. Going square or long?
Square.
Okay. Oh shit!
Love.
Oh, I felt it, but it look right there. But no blood. It's all
Brand
good.
new sharp knives.
It's all good. Boom.
Oh, love.
A little bit too much rice.
That looks awesome.
Thank you. I'm gonna use this over here.
You know, run it across your fingers.
Wait, how many do you want?
I guess there's 3. Right?
8. No, I see. Yeah, it looks really thick.
That's okay.
So we'll half those again, right?
No, I would.
1.
I would do 3.
They're huge.
All right, do 2.
Seriously, that's better.
Okay. If you say so.
I do. I'm the sushi chef.
Wet the knife, they say.
You sure the rice is really cooked? It's looking like it's not.
Love. I think
It's looking like it's not 100% cooked.
it's learning experience. Maybe I should have let it sit longer after.
Okay, well, I did see them do this. They sit it down and then they go boom, boom, boom. Because that's the open end. They'll go boom that way.
Okay.
Maybe I should have put 2 pieces of...
Check that out.
Wait a minute. That's
Looks
not too
kind of
bad.
real.
Yeah.
Why don't
I'll
you
go
taste
flat.
it?
I'll go flat.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Yep.
All right, that's 1. I'm going to rinse this off just so we're...
Next, we're doing tuna and cucumber. Is that our next?
Tuna and avocado and then all 3.
Okay. Tuna and avocado. Yummy. Oh, you need more seaweed.
Yep. All right, here we go. I was told shiny and shiny. Okay. I think I'll do less rice and squish it out more.
Yeah, didn't they do the big kind of ovally thing? And he made the smiley face with it.
Okay. Cat-like. Cat-like. It does need more though, doesn't it? I think so.
I think so. That's pretty impressive for your first roll.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Oh my gosh.
You have to say that though, don't you?
No, I really don't.
only-
My fault is honesty.
If I only had a
Check that out. That looks really good.
If I only had a bamboo mat, or I should have put more tuna in that. What should I have did?
I don't know. I think that's good for your first attempt, regardless of what you
Okay.
did.
You like that?
Looks good.
Okay. Okay. This is tuna. I have 2 different slices of tuna, so I'm going to mix my slices up.
I think your third attempt should be rice on the outside.
No, not tonight. Not tonight.
Oh, yummy. Look at that.
You like that? I think she's going to be a little thick now.
That's okay. Yeah, tuna mat would be helpful at this point.
Yeah. We're going to
got
get it
this,
though.
love.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
We are not buying $50 sushi anymore.
We're going to go buy crabs to go.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, I can't wait. I really want to do, there we go.
Look at that.
Just need, if I have my mat. I want a scallop. You said about the soft shell crab.
Oh, gosh.
I want to do shrimp.
Yeah. And we can get fancy and get some eel sauce. And
Yes. All right.
we have some sriracha, but I don't know. We're trying to be healthy, so we're trying to stay away from like the yum yum sauce and
Yeah.
the mayo based
Yeah, we're-
sauces.
We're like pure sushi.
Which we're gonna try.
Sushi in the raw.
Not to say we don't like our specialty rolls, like our Pokemoke roll and what else?
Love, there is a
The Godzilla roll.
Yep, but
Oh my gosh! Check
Mm.
you out, love.
there's a bully boxer behind you that knows where.
Cutting up raw fish.
Yep, and he's watching.
He loves raw fish. Don't know why.
Yeah.
I mean, you could go get a job.
Maybe I have to.
OC Wasabi.
Maybe I'll have to. All right, I did see them do this, right? They just bring it over here and they go boom, boom. Again, the open ends. I'm gonna put on the downside.
Okay.
That's falling apart a little bit.
That's all right.
What do you think?
I'll give you a high five, but. All right, let's keep going.
All right.
Another seaweed.
Yep.
So we got this at Walmart. Is where we got it.
Yep. And right there.
It was like, I don't know, almost like $3.50 a pack.
Yeah.
And there's 10,
Yeah.
10 sheets per.
My sushi master chef said there's a shiny side and there is a shiny side. All right. Here we go.
What would we
Speak.
do without YouTube?
Yeah, 100%, huh? I love YouTube. If I only had my mat.
Tuesday lunch. Maybe just in time for your birthday.
Yes. Except I'm not making sushi on my birthday.
No.
Did you take off?
For your birthday?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I guess I'll be drinking during the day by myself.
No. You'll be making decoys.
Thought you took off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's all right. Got to keep my pimp hand strong.
Maybe I'll leave half a day if I can. Maybe I'll bring home a big old pizza.
No. All right. I'm getting a little sloppy.
It's very sticky.
It really is.
So again, first attempt. I think so far it looks awesome.
Thank you.
But I think there's going to be a learning curve for sure.
Oh, my master's.
Oh, I have my. We have to do one more.
What?
I have the smoked salmon.
I'm not doing smoked salmon.
Not you.
Okay. I don't know if there's room to fit avocado in this one.
Maybe don't do as much cucumber.
Well, I have all this cucumber.
Well, we can just eat it.
Okay. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I've been doing.
Okay. Kind of makes sense. It kind of seems like it might break, but it apparently doesn't.
This one's going to be a little thick.
Okay.
Yeah, I think if I had the mat, it would help me. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It would help me. This is going to be a thick one. Half. New rinser.
Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Well, if I have my mat, I could.
Oh.
Oh. Leave that alone. Man, the rice really does grab.
Careful.
Yeah. I think my left thumb might have got it.
Got what?
Got the blade? All right, this is... I didn't... Damn it.
What?
Didn't cut all the way through that one.
Oh,
I busted that one.
that's okay.
Set that one aside. There we go. What's that look like?
It's absolutely wonderful. Can't wait to try it.
All right. This is our unofficial first time trying to do the sushi. Crabs to go, thank you very much. Love, thank you for your help. Thank you for following along. Thank you to you. Right there.